Bonjour à tous, bonjour, je m'appelle Johnny Beatsz. Yes, je suis the Dynamics. So you people would be knowing me around, Chennai city. I've been doing beatboxing for a while, and today we are in the institute called Here and Now. So one of a kind institute, I would rather say that, So why I'm here? Because I wanted to greet my gurus. Yeah, in the period of 2019 and 2020, I learned a lot from these two wonderful gurus. So today, after I met them, I was so happy, and probably doing this kind of beatboxing. It's a random thing now, but yeah. I hope you all enjoy my contents and also enjoy studying in Here and Now. I wish you all the very best to your life, wonderful life, makkale.